Hi friends, in this video I want to explain the program to print output like this. At first line equals by Sureka and second line arithmetic and after tab space reasoning and next line C language. First include header files hash include stdio.h and next header file is hash include conio.h. Main function void main. Don't give semicolon after main. Okay. Void main. Then curly bracket open. And to clear the result screen, CLR SCR is the function. Then at first statement, write this message equals by Sureka. Then printf. To print any text at output screen, what is the function? Printf. Printf within double quotations, write that text. Okay. Next, at next line, printf arithmetic reasoning. After giving some spaces, write a reasoning. Then quotations closing, bracket closing, semicolon. It will print like that. But here arithmetic, after that I want to get a tab space. What is the escape character sequence? /t. Arithmetic /t, then a reasoning. Without giving spaces, number of spaces, simply write a tab space. Then at result screen, automatically it prints tab space. Collection of some spaces. Reasoning, I think 8 spaces. Okay. See here, printf is a function used to print the given text at result screen. It is from stdio.h, standard input output header file. It prints equest by Sureka at first line. Then second printf prints this arithmetic continuation. After Sureka, after EA, it prints arithmetic. Then tab space reasoning. But I want to print this arithmetic at next line. To place the cursor at text, what is the escape character? /n. Okay, write this /n here. /n. After printing this statement, control comes to next line, /n. Then arithmetic after tab space reasoning. You can place this /n at end of this statement also, at end of this text also. Okay. Write /n at the end of this string or at the starting of second line. Then we get output up to here. Next, printf. Next line C language. Next line /n C hyphen language. Okay. After printing this string, then control comes to next line. Then it prints C language. Then get ch. Get ch is used to pass the result screen to see the result. Equest by Sureka, next line arithmetic, tab space reasoning, at next line C language. We can use this same /n at the end of second sentence also, second string instead of here. This is the program about escape character sequences. I want to give a title to this program, escape characters. Escape characters. Okay, this is a single line comment. Instead of writing these 3 printf statements, we can write within a single printf statement. Like printf equest by Sureka, after that /n arithmetic /t reasoning, and slash and C language. Finally close the quotation mark and closing bracket semicolon, then get CH. Simple. Try yourself in the editor. Okay. Instead of 3 printf statements, we can write within a single printf statement. Now, first suppose I want to print eQuest by Surekha within double quotations. That is in double quotations. In that case, write slash double quotes. These quotations are for string, printf syntax. This is for string. And these quotations to display at result screen, slash opening quotations. eQuest by Surekha, at the end also I want to get quotation marks. So slash quotation marks. These quotations to display and these quotations are for string. Okay. Try to yourself and get result at editor.
Now see the output of this program. First compilation, Alt F9 is the shortcut key. There are no warnings and no errors. Press any key from the keyboard. Control plus F9. Then see the result. At first line, eQuest by Surekha. At second line, arithmetic. After some spaces, means a tab space, reasoning. Then at next line, C language. Now see, in this program, for suppose by mistake, I wrote like this, print space F. Now recompile this program, Alt F9. See here, there are 2 errors, but mistake is only 1, but it shows 2 errors. See, error. In which program? Escape.c. Program name is escape.c. At 7th line, undefined symbol print. Here see, print space F. Actually, predefined function name is printf. There is no space in between print and F. But here by mistake, I wrote like this, print space F. So compiler did not identify this printf function. Undefined symbol print. See, next one, next error, same at 7th line, statement missing semicolon. But here, in this statement, there is a semicolon. But it shows the statement missing semicolon because of this mistake, print space F. Okay, enter, then correct this mistake. Now compile, there are no warnings and no errors. Now see, for suppose at the end of any statement, there is no semicolon. Compile this program, it shows only 1 error. What is that error? At 8th line, statement missing semicolon. Enter. At 8th line, but cursor blinking at this statement, printf arithmetic reasoning. At the end of this statement, there is a semicolon, but here at 8th line, statement missing semicolon. Please check before statement. Where is cursor blinking in this particular statement? Check at before statement. There is no semicolon. Enter semicolon. Recompile. There are no warnings and no errors. Now see output. Here I want to print that eQuest by Surekha within double quotations. So these quotations are for string. Starting quotations and ending quotations are for string. But I want to print quotations. I want to enter another quotation marks at starting and ending. Now recompile. Now it shows only 1 error. What is that error? Here function call missing. What is that? Brace. Okay. Here function call missing brace means actually in this statement there are 2 brackets, 2 parentheses for this printf function. But here it shows function call missing. So to display any quotation marks at result screen, please use escape character sequences, means backward slash quotation mark. Again here backward slash quotation mark. Okay, now see, this first quotation mark is to represent a string and the second quotation mark is to print. Okay, here also this quotation mark is to print, and this quotation mark at end quotation mark is to represent string. Recompile, Alt F9, no warnings and no errors, and Control plus F9. See, eQuest by Sureka within quotation marks and arithmetic reasoning last C language. Instead of 3 printf statements, I used only one printf statement to get same output. See here, printf. Here, to display quotation marks, eQuest by Sureka. This is ending quotation mark for this eQuest by Sureka. At next line, slash n means the cursor goes to next line. It prints arithmetic, and after tab space, it prints a reasoning, and after next line, it prints C language. Alt F9, Control F9. See, same output. Practice is more important to get knowledge in programming. So, create programs yourself and try in the editor and see the result. But suppose display your address one by one. Name, daughter of or son of, place name, pin code, and state name, etc. And see the result. Do practice more and more programs.
I hope you understand this program and use of escape characters. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button and subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.